I really wish Smoking Mirrors was always this hot. This thing of creating interesting storylines on the last episode of the season is wrong. So ladies and gentlemen, on this video, I want us to talk about Smoking Mirrors finale, so do stay tuned if you're interested. But before going to the video, I'm gonna have to request you guys to like it. And if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel to watch my previous videos. And I'm hoping that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So, Smoking Mirrors got us as fans at the tip of our seats with the recent events, especially on episode 258 and episode 259. And if those two episodes were that hot, I'm so excited to see how interesting the finale is going to be. I mean, yes, there are a few things that we already know, like the fact that Caesar is going to die and leave the show. But the tricky part is the fact that we don't know how he's going to die. Also, since Caesar is going to die, we're being introduced to his replacement, Zwelethwa. And the character of Zwelethwa, as you might already know, is played by Siyabonga Thwala. So, Zwelethwa comes back to Emnyameni for revenge. And since Caesar is dead, it's obvious that he's going to be at war with Emnyameni's new Kapadeas, which is Martha and Jackson. Remember that Martha and Jackson now own everything at Emnyameni, since they managed to trick Caesar to sign off the depot. So, they are now the new owners. I really can't wait to see how is Zwelethwa going to be able to take that depot from them. I'm also curious about Taniswa's role. I wait to see if she's going to fight to get everything that belonged to Caesar, or she's just going to start afresh and continue with her saloon. I think a lot is going to happen on season 3, and I have a little prediction that I want to make. I think Sonto is Nthabiseng. Guys, do you remember that Nthabiseng had difficulties having babies? Now, Sonto is having the same problem as Nthabiseng. I think this show is bringing back Nthabiseng. But then, as I've said, this is just a prediction. I'm not saying that is going to happen. So, with all of that being said, let me end this video here. We'll chat more about this after the finale. And for now, do comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.